Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you all know, this is a place where we drop all updates about how to make money with airdrops, crypto airdrops and web3 money. Today I'm going to be talking about a project, a telegram based project called Blum. Blum is an all-in-one crypto app. It also has a play to earn activity where you can tap on your screen just like Notcoin and the rest to earn coins. So if you've been enjoying my video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First off, I'm going to include the link. Include the link in the description. So once you click on the link, it's going to take you to Telegram. To take you to the app. So once you click on start in the app, to ask you to launch, so you just click on launch here. So let's it load. As you can see, I just claimed my daily check-in reward, which is something you get. There are daily check-in rewards once you log into the app every day. So now they just gave me 30 Blum points and then three passes to play the game. So I'll click on continue. So I've been mining before I went to bed. Now I've been able to accumulate this little, and then I'll claim it. So basically, this is what the interface looks like. Here you see your name, your Telegram name, and then here you see your accumulated points, and then here this place is where you see the game, the play to earn game. And then if you click on tasks if you click on tasks at the down here, you see some tasks to do to earn extra points, just like other projects. So you can do well to perform those tasks to earn more points. And then here, friends, this is where you copy your referral code. If you're an influencer and like you want to invite more people to the project, copy your referral code here. And I should state that the total people you can refer to this project are just 10 people. Initially you'll be able to refer 5 people. As you can see down here, invite a friend, 5 left. So after inviting 5 people, any other person that tries to use your link, the person will get a notification showing you've been added to wait list. The person will not be able to join, but then after a while, your referral will be your referral limit will be increased to till 10. So yeah, that's for that. So let's go back to the home. Now, how to earn with the game, like on the game. So you come here and click on play. As you can see, I have three tickets to play the game. So while in the game, you see some green leaves, or like some green objects dropping from the top, and within it you see a time bomb also dropping with the green objects. Do well to avoid clicking on, see one time bomb here, do well to avoid clicking on that bomb, because if you tap on the bomb, everything you've earned, like in that section of the game, everything you've earned will go back to 0. As you can see, I've earned 78. If I tap on, let's just tap on a bomb. Okay, I'll show you on the next try. So I got 88 here. So let's try again. Let me show you what I meant. Okay, so I'm earning now. So if I tap on this bomb, I'm back to 0. So you understand. just avoid tapping on the bomb. You can tap on the ice. The ice is going to freeze the falling leaves, so you can tap more just for a few seconds. Just avoid tapping on the bomb though. So basically that's how you play the game. That's how you play the game, guys. Just tap on the green falling objects. I call them leaves. Yeah, so let's try another trial. So guys, as you can see, I had 3 chances to play the game when I entered the app. For you to get more chances, you can invite more people. Like, the more people you invite, the more chances you get to play the game. And also, you can claim certain percentages from the earnings of the people you invite. Any user you invite, I think you're eligible to claim 10% from whatever they earn for the day. So that's a nice incentive to invite people, guys. So as you can see, I've exhausted my 3 tickets. So as I was saying, if you invite people and you want to claim incentives from what they've earned, you come to these friends. Here on this account, there's no referral here, but this is where you see can claim dividends from what they've earned. So guys, that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the subscribe button, like and share the video. See you guys in my next video. Boy Man here, signing out, guys. Bye.